Could a robot be better at shopping than you? I'm serious. We all like to think we're pros at hunting down a good deal, but what if a machine could do it faster, cheaper, and without that little voice in your head telling you to buy a candy bar at checkout? Today, we're putting that to the test. I'm going head to head with a brand new shopping AI in a race to find the best deals. We've got the same wacky shopping list and a ticking clock. Who's going to find the best prices? Human or machine? Let's get into it. Section 1. The setup. Welcome, folks, to the main event. In this corner, we have me. A guy armed with years of hard-earned shopping wisdom, a browser full of bookmarked sites, and a healthy amount of doubt about all this. And in the other corner, let's call it the shop bot. This isn't just one app. It's a whole suite of the best AI shopping tools you can get in 2025. This thing can scan thousands of stores in seconds, check a product's price history, find coupon codes I've never heard of, and it runs on pure, cold, hard data. It has zero brand loyalty, it never gets tired, and it definitely doesn't care about a last-minute impulse buy. Here's how it's going down. We have one shopping list. It's very specific and a little tricky. We have a hard budget of $500. And we have exactly 1 hour on the clock to buy everything. The winner is decided by 3 things. First, total cost, down to the last penny. Second, speed, who buys everything first. And third, a more subjective factor, quality. Did we get exactly what was on the list, or a cheap knockoff? And what a list it is. I made it to test every shopping muscle you could have. First, a tech item. A pair of black Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. Super popular, but the price is all over the place. A deal is out there if you can find it. Second, groceries. A 500 milliliters bottle of high-quality, cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil. The keyword here is high quality. Third, clothes. A men's, medium, 100% cotton, navy blue t-shirt. Simple, but specific. Fourth, something to make the AI sweat. A first edition copy of the board game, Catan. Not a reprint, the OG from the 90s. And finally, the ultimate judgment call. The best value for money yoga mat. Not the cheapest, not the fanciest, but the one that perfectly balances price, durability, and happy customers. This list is designed to pit the AI's number-crunching brain against good old human gut feeling. The clock starts now. Section 2. The challenge. Alright, I'm getting in the zone. My strategy is pure, chaotic, human multitasking. I've got tabs open for Amazon, Best Buy, and a couple of smaller electronic sites for the Sony headphones. At the same time, I'm running searches on Google Shopping to see if I'm missing anything. My brain is firing on all cylinders, trying to remember if that one store had a sale last month. I'm digging through coupon sites like RetailMeNot and Honey, just praying for a code that actually works. It's a mess, but it's my mess. Meanwhile, the shop bot is quiet. Too quiet. On its screen, there's a tornado of activity that's too fast to even follow. It's not checking a dozen sites. It's scraping data from hundreds, maybe thousands, all at once. It's comparing prices, shipping costs, and stock levels in real time. It found the headphones in less than 30 seconds. While I'm still typing Sony headphones discount into Google, the AI has already analyzed price history charts to see if today's price is even a good deal. These AI systems are built for this kind of ruthless efficiency. For the olive oil, I'm going with what I know. I'm checking out specialty food blogs and online shops of importers I trust. I'm reading the descriptions, looking for phrases like first cold pressed, and checking harvest dates. The AI? It's scanning thousands of customer reviews, searching for keywords like peppery finish and fruity, and then plotting those against star ratings and price. It's turning an art form into a science experiment. The t-shirt is a dead sprint. The AI immediately pulls up dozens of options that fit the bill, instantly sorted by price. My process is slower. I'm staring at the JPGs, trying to judge fabric quality from a picture and reading reviews to see if the shirt shrinks into a belly top after one wash. This is where the human touch has to count for something, right? An AI can't feel the fabric. But the real test is the Catan board game. This is my secret weapon. The AI's search is mostly stuck on big marketplaces, eBay, Amazon, maybe a few well-known game stores. It finds a couple, but they are ridiculously expensive. My strategy is completely different. I'm diving deep into the nerdy corners of the internet. Board Game Geek forums, Reddit collector groups, even Facebook Marketplace. These are places where who you are matters more than an algorithm. It's a gamble, but it's a human gamble. Section 3. The reveal and comparison. Time's up. The carts are full, and my heart is pounding. Let's see who's the better shopper. We're laying it all out, virtual receipt by virtual receipt. First, the Sony headphones. I was pretty proud of my price, $349.99, thanks to a 10% off coupon. The shop bought? It paid $329. It found some obscure, one-day-only promo code on a tiny electronics site I'd never heard of. Okay, for a standard, popular product, the AI's power to scan the entire web is just on another level. Point to the machine. Next up, the navy t-shirt. I found a solid one from a brand I trust for $25. It feels great. The AI found a shirt that ticked all the boxes, medium, navy, 100% cotton, for only $12. But when you see it, you get what you pay for. The fabric is paper thin, and a quick glance at the reviews I skipped shows people complaining it falls apart. The AI won on price, but I'm calling it a win on quality for me. Let's call it a draw. Now, for the olive oil. I picked a bottle from a small Italian estate for $35. It's won awards, I know it's legit. The AI found a bottle for $28 that has over 10,000 reviews and a 4.8 star average. It's a popular, crowd-pleasing choice, for sure. But is it high quality? My choice is artisanal, the AI's is mass market. It's subjective, but my taste buds are telling me the point goes to the human. Then we have the best value yoga mat. This is where things get really interesting. The AI's approach was all math. It crunched the numbers on price, thickness, user ratings, and spat out a mat for $40 that was, on paper, a perfectly logical choice. I went a different route, relying on expert reviews from actual yoga teachers. They pointed out that the AI's choice gets slippery when you sweat, a major flaw. They recommended a different mat for $50 that's famous for its durability. The AI found the best value on paper. Human experience found the best value in the real world. Point. Human. And finally, the first edition Catan. The AI found one on eBay for a jaw-dropping $250. My risky deep dive into the forums? It paid off. I found another collector who was happy to sell me their copy for $120. This is the perfect example of where humans dominate. An AI can't build a friendship in a forum, it can't negotiate, and it can't understand the social rules of niche hobbies. A huge point for humanity. The final score, let's tally it up. The shop bot's cart total was $529. But since we had a $500 budget, it couldn't actually afford the Catan game, so its real total for the other 4 items was $279. My total came to $280. I was just $1 more expensive than the AI on the items we both actually bought. So, who's the better shopper? Well, it's not that simple. The AI was incredible at specific things. For finding the rock-bottom lowest price on a common item, it's unbeatable. Its speed and ability to process insane amounts of data is something my brain just can't do. It works 24/7 and makes decisions on pure logic. But this challenge also showed its blind spots. It had no idea how to handle subjective words like quality or value. It couldn't find the rare board game because it doesn't know how to navigate human communities. It doesn't get that sometimes the best choice isn't the one with the best stats, but the one recommended by people you trust. It's missing that spark of creativity and real-world wisdom. The truth is, this isn't about a machine takeover. It's about teamwork. The future of shopping isn't human versus AI. It's human plus AI. The ultimate strategy is to use AI as your super-powered assistant. Let it find the best prices on headphones and scan for coupon codes, but then use your own human gut check to make the final call. Combine the machine's power with your own experience. Call to action, but what do you think? Could an AI outshop you? Which item on my list would you have totally crushed? Drop your shopping secrets in the comments below. And if you enjoyed watching me battle a robot for a bargain and want to see more challenges like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65. See you in the next one.